Hey guys, this is Jimmy. Today I'm going to show you a compact gummy machine that is perfect for your THC and CBD gummy. So this compact gummy machine can produce about 12,000 gummy per hour and it only costs $10,950. I do find some large gummy machine for my clients. Those gummy machines are typically could produce about 40,000 gummy per hour. But for this THC and CBD market, those type of gummy machine are typically too large for them. The order size for typically for THC is usually like 10,000 gummy pre-order. So ordering a 40,000 unit is definitely overkill. But luckily, I got this compact size gummy machine that would be perfect size for most THC and CBD business. So this machine is not fully automatic. As we can see, it's more compact. It's more like a desktop version instead of a production line version. The reason we call it semi-automatic is because this unit could squeeze our gummy solution into the mold, but we need to use our hand to squeeze out the gummy from the mold after it's drying. So that's why we call it semi-automatic. So it's not a fully automatic production line. If you want a fully automatic production line, please refer to my last video. I do install a gummy machine that could produce 40,000 gummy per hour, and it could do the dosing, the demolding, and cooling, everything automatic. Let's go over this dosing unit, so it's more important. So we have on the top is a hopper. So this hopper it has a jacket. So it could heat up by controlling temperature over here. So we could set it to 50 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, so that your gummy solution will be always keep warm in this hopper. That's quite important because a lot of gummy depends on recipe. A lot of gummy are temperature sensitive. If the temperature drop below 120 Fahrenheit, the gummy will begin the solidification. The heating unit is actually built in, so you do not need to buy extra heaters. We have a heating elements on the back of the machine right here. Next, we have a doser. So right now we have a 10 doser for this unit, so which means that it will fill up 10 mold for each squeezing action. So a doser is actually a simple mechanism. It's actually a piston that will squeeze every time that this mold travel. So it will squeeze the exact amount that you program over here into the mold right here. And next, we have this gummy mold tray. So this tray will come with the machine. It will give you a better handling of your gummy mold. By the way, this gummy mold right here is a typical gummy bear mold, and the volume is 1.5 milliliters. In transfer into gram, usually it's about 1.7 gram per gummy. We will provide 20 pieces of this gummy mold for free with the machine so that you can start right away after you got a machine. And this, you could also order more gummy mold as well. So each gummy mold will cost about $18 per pieces. And also you could custom order some different shape. So right here, we have a custom-made gummy mold. This gummy mold is in volume is about 3.2 milliliter. This is almost double size of this gummy bear mold, and it's for bigger gummy. For example, if you have a bigger dose of CBD, then you need definitely bigger gummy sizes as well. Underneath the gummy tray, then we have this conveyor belt. This blue conveyor belt will send your tray into the machine after each squeeze. So everything is programmed. After you hit the start button, this gummy tray will start going into the down the line, and this hopper will begin dosing your gummy solution into the gummy bear. This machine is already programmed, so it knows the spacing between the gummy, and also it knows how many seconds it needs to stop at each increment so that your gummy is perfectly smooth. Now let's do a demonstration with gummy solution that I prepared to show you the fully capacity of this gummy machine. I have already dumped the gummy solution into this hopper and also turned on the warming function of this hopper so that our gummy solution will not be solidate inside this hopper. But right now, everything is prepared. The only thing that you need to do is to press the start button on here, and then we'll start dosing the gummy. So make sure that the first line is aligned with this doser, and then press the stop button right here. Okay, now it's dosing. The first two lines they were doing is they were squeezing air bubble. So the first two lines is actually no gummy solution. The rest of them is full of gummy. Okay, the first tray is already completely filled. As we can see, the first two lines over here, because the machine is air bubble when we are cleaning the machine, so that the first 2 or 3 lines, they are not filled up, but the rest is pretty good. And now we just need to change this mode with our new mode so that we can fill up the next batch. So let's do it. Now changing the mode is super easy. Just get the mode and then slide in to your tray. They are ready to go. So the gummy solution that I'm prepared is not much. So it's probably going to fill up about half of this tray. So let's see how that works. So remember, you need to align the first line with the doser. Otherwise, you're going to mess up. Press the stop button again, so it'll be dosing. Okay, so we're already out of gummy solution, so it will just squeeze out the not so much gummy. So we just press the stop. Okay. After we finish the gummy production, we now need to start cleaning the machine. So cleaning for this machine is very easy as well. Prepare a bowl of hot water. Just dump the hot water into this hopper. Then the hot water will dissolve our gummy solution because this hopper is hot, so that all the solution, they're not being solidified. So they can be squeezed out from these noses quite easy. So let's do that. And remember, you need a tray put on the other end of the conveyor belt to catch all the water. So let's start cleaning. So a trick of cleaning this machine is that you tilt this tray back a little bit so that your solution is not running into the conveyor belt directly. So it will be catch in this little tray over here, so that you can dump it when you finish cleaning. Okay, cleaning is done. So this is how easy to operate this gummy machine. So this is all the information I would like to share. And if you like this machine, please let me know. The selling price is $10,950. This model is in stock in US. So if you decided to purchase it, it will only be domestic shipping, probably around $150 from shipping from my states to your location. Thank you so much. Goodbye.